1989 Pontiac Trans Am here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 5.7 liter TPI underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front fascia on this one. Has had a repaint along the way to the color that you see. Kind of a, I guess a burnt orange, if you will. Nice looking color on this car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down this passenger side. A little over 101,000 on the odometer of this car. Does have headers, MagnaFlow mufflers on it. No cats, in case you are in a state as far as with emissions or catalytic converters. I want to give you the heads up on that. You can see up and down the passenger side. I mean, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint's got a nice shine to it. Interior does show a little bit of wear. We'll get around to the driver's side, show you that a little bit closer. But you can see there's some wear in the seats. I left the seat covers off. There are some seat covers that will go with it. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. A few things the technicians noted. This basically lift gate, rear hatch, whatever you'd prefer to call it, does have some issues with it latching. That would have had the kind of the auto closure back in the day. Tech said that it does have some problems latching. Just want to give you the heads up on that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some miscellaneous parts in the trunk, and then you can see the seat covers I put in there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll check out the headlights also. They're power headlights, of course. The tech did note that they get a little sticky from time to time, opening or closing. We'll check those out in a bit. First, let's take a look up and down the driver's side. A little bit of clear missing there. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Driver's side, you can see paint has a nice shine to it over here also. All right, take a little closer peek at this interior. A few things I want to point out in here. Did notice like where the mirror, power mirror switch would be. Missing a little panel there. And I kind of told you about the seating surfaces already. It's just showing some wear in areas. Kick panel over here on the driver's side. Did want to mention that was absent. Maybe fuse box cover, a few things underneath there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's exact mileage, 101,253. Lower fan works. Tack working. Take a look at the headliner. Looks good. Slip around to the back seat here. Let's run. Alright, slip up to the front, show you this engine bay. May be able to get this one-handed here, possibly. There we go. Underside of the hood. There it is, 5.7 liter. TPI, 2-port injection. Power steering, power brakes. Battery's a little over a year old. AC. Obviously, cold air intake has been added. '89 Pontiac Trans Am. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call, enter, email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1989 Pontiac Trans Am. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Nice colors on this car. Kind of a burgundy on the outside. Burgundy slash red on the inside mixed with black. Goes very well together. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Nice rumble also coming out the back of this car. Now the speedometer shows 70 and I'm probably doing about 50. So there's a little discrepancy there. Wipers work on this car, the blower motor works on this car. Our temperature is showing about 195. The oil pressure needle is pegged over 60. Sometimes you'll see that on older Pontiacs. If the oil pressure's up, that's generally a good thing. Battery shows charging over 13 volts and the fuel gauge is about 5/8. It is. The tachometer is working as it should. Brakes are working as they should. Having a little traffic today. Door panel's looking good. There is a missing what would probably be a remote mirror switch on the driver's side. A couple tears in the seat. This car drives nicely though. Really hugging the ground in the corners. Corners nicely. Nice driving 1989 Pontiac Trans Am. Be sure to look at all the pictures for yourself and see the condition at uniqueclassiccars.com.